Hey, ChatGPT, I just sold another house and I need to create a Facebook post. Could you access my extensive marketing bio? Google Gemini 2.5, deep research. Help me create an extensive marketing bio for real estate agent, your name, company, location, hit enter. Get that big. It turns out to be, generally speaking, about a 6 to 8 page Google document, extensive bio research on you. Cool. Now get your latest sales stats. It would be really cool if some of you guys had some organization around your sales stats, because if I had better organization on your sales stats, and it'd be awesome in your CRM if there was person, name, address, date, buyer seller listing, and if there was some hyperlink to the Zillow page, if there was a hyperlink to your listing photos inside of your database, and then there was also a hyperlink to the Google Business Profile review or the Zillow review. I know this is just outrageous, but this would be awesome if, as we go into AI custom content creation. So for whatever it's worth, if you can do that, it'd be pretty slick. Just go to your AI, and whichever AI of your choice, I don't care what it is, don't do deep research, that would be stupid. And then say, hey, could you take this 6-page bio and update the stats? And then now we have a updated, extensive marketing bio for you and your business with the right stats in the sales stats. Cool. Anything else, add to that. Good for you. Get it done. Okay. Now, from there, I want to make sure that you guys do the next most appropriate step, which is go to your ChatGPT account. Most of you guys have a paid ChatGPT account. Fine. And then you're just going to type into ChatGPT. You're going to say, hey, ChatGPT, could you store this extensive marketing bio about me in your memory? And then you hit the plus button, or you just copy paste the whole thing and you paste it in there. And then you just hit enter. And then ChatGPT will say, we've stored this extensive marketing bio in memory for you. So now, hey, ChatGPT, can you use my extensive marketing bio? And could you help me create a opening line to a seller referral lead that I have and let them know that I'm an awesome agent and I can help them sell their home? Oh, that's pretty good. Hey, ChatGPT, I just sold another house and I need to create a Facebook post. Could you access my extensive marketing bio? And here's the details about the house that I just sold. And can you give me 4 or 5 options of some Facebook posts that I should create? Sure. Oh, thanks. Okay. Next. This is the other thing that has been really fun lately. So we're going to go one more interesting prompt. Okay. I want all of you guys to go to your Google Gemini, and we're going to create a new chat. And in that new chat, we're going to do the drop down, and you're going to go to the 2.5 Pro. They just changed the name to Preview, which was previously experimental. Okay. So if you go look at your Gemini and you do the drop down at 2.5 Pro Preview. Okay. Now over there, I want all of you to do something pretty powerful. I want you to create a marketing avatar. So just as a reminder, Google owns Chrome, Android, YouTube. It also owns AdSense, that people spend $1 billion a week creating digital marketing strategies. Oh, so does Google have any idea at all about who your perfect avatar is or what they might want to know? What do you guys think? They probably know that. So what I need you guys to be doing is with the Gemini 2.5 Pro Preview, previously experimental, I need you to say, hey, create a marketing avatar for your ideal customer. Now, if you need a simple version of this to just get the brainstorm going, so if I was James, I would just say, hey, Google, could you please create a marketing avatar for home buyers and sellers in, what was it, Lake County, Chicago? So then Google will then give you a series of different variations of buyers. It'd be like, here's the first-time home buyer. Here's this buyer. Then it'd be like, here's the retiring and leaving to Florida seller. Here's the trade-up seller. It would actually outline the different avatars for you guys. Okay. So if you just needed to brainstorm to get some ideas and you're like, oh yeah, I like that one. That's the one that I work with all the time. Cool. Now, if you have something specific and niche, so Irina and Susanna, we work on the from England, who owns a property in her marketplace in Florida. So we would call that out. Help me create a marketing avatar for a property owner who lives in and owns a second home. Here's your avatar. Then you confirm read obviously that avatar, and then you should confirm that's actually a good avatar for you. And they'll name them, they'll give them a funny name, they'll give them a real name. Okay. Now, if you want to get sassy, what should we do with those avatars? Because didn't we in ChatGPT just store a memory for your extensive marketing bio? Should we probably do that with maybe one of your avatars? See, because Irina and Susanna are like, Patrick, can you read these postcards that we're creating to send to these English owners? And I'm like, okay. And because you guys know from my longtime clients, you know how nerdy I get. And all of a sudden we spent 30 minutes on one postcard. I was like, I hope that was worth $250. But instead, how about we just go over to ChatGPT, or we save the documents, we do a save those, and we go back over to Gemini and we say, hey Gemini, here's me. Hey Gemini, here is the avatar. Hey Gemini, we're trying to create 3 or 4 direct mail letter marketing campaign ideas for anyone considering selling in 2025. Could you please give us some ideas for us for this avatar, please? So if I see anything lame AI from you, we're gonna have a problem. Because if the AI knows you well and knows who you're trying to communicate, then whatever the output is, it's going to be pretty good.
Hey guys, let's be real. If you're out there grinding every day, chasing dead leads and coming up empty, I totally get it. I've been there, working long hours, feeling stuck, and wondering why my pipeline's running dry. But listen, there's a better way. REDX changed the game for me. Instead of wasting hours guessing who to call, I'm getting fresh, accurate data on expireds, FSBOs, and pre-foreclosures, organized and ready to go. I'm talking names, numbers, emails, the whole package. What I love most? It's not just about getting more leads, it's about getting the right leads. These are motivated sellers who actually want to hear from you. It means fewer wasted calls and more real conversations. And the best part? You're not just building a bigger pipeline, you're building a better one that works smarter, not harder. You deserve to spend your time where it counts, building relationships and closing deals, not chasing ghosts. So if you're ready to stop chasing and start closing, click the link below and make REDX work for you. You've got this. I've got your back. Let's do this together.